Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you a review of the most sold tripod on Amazon, and let's get into the video and see. This is the best selling budgeted tripod on Amazon, and it has a reviews around like 7,000 plus reviews it has. So this is the basic packaging which I have received this tripod. So let's open it. I had ordered this tripod 1 week before, so I got this fast, I guess. So this is the tripod. So before opening it, I will show you some features. So it is made in China and it has various features same to a standard tripod, like it has a rubber tip and all. So let's quickly open it and see. So we are getting a mobile holder along with the tripod. So this is the tripod itself. I thought there's a clip down there which we can attach. First I thought it was broken, but I will genuinely tell you guys, it is made of a very thin aluminium and the quality is not up to the mark. You can see the plastic is also not that good, and you can see it has all the features which is mentioned in the description, but I am very unsatisfied with the quality. But for 500 rupees I think we can expect something more. It has all the leveler and screws and nuts to adjust. It will hold a mobile phone, but I don't think it can hold a DSLR because the quality of the aluminium is so thin that if it fell down it will bend and it will be useless. So if it is fixed in a position and kept it in a place for a long time, then it's okay. And you can see after putting the clip on, it will become a bit sturdy. So this is the tripod by itself. We should be very careful while using this tripod. The rough use is not meant for this tripod, but everything works. You can see the leveler and screws and nuts. So let's mount a mobile phone in it. So you can see the quality. Actually, if you touch the material, we can feel the quality. It is made of cheap quality plastic, but the leveler is working fine. So let's unscrew it and fix the mobile phone. So the mobile phone holder is of quite good quality, so I'm satisfied with that. We got to be gentle with this tripod, otherwise don't know, like this nut and screw will come apart. So we have to handle this gently, and it is advised that not to like detach and attach frequently because it will come apart. So let's fix the mobile phone and see. It's quite tight while fixing the mobile phone in. So my power button got squeezed, showing power off mode, even though we can use it. So it's quite good angle which we are getting. So the functioning of the tripod is 100% working, but the only thing I am not satisfied is the quality. So let's level it up. You can see the bubble in the leveler. If it is straight, it's quite good. So tripod for this rate, I will suggest that if you are planning to keep in a position without moving it much, then it is okay. But if you are going to use it rough, so I don't suggest this tripod. So I am returning it because of the unsatisfied quality of the tripod. So I have done cash on delivery, so it is not showing to my bank. So I will get the refund in Amazon Pay, and if I press the bank button, the continue option is not working. So the only option is Amazon Pay. This was my humble review on this tripod. So think before you buy it. If you like the video, you know what to do. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Peace out.